how to install ChatGPT 4.0 on Windows PC right now. So if you want to install the ChatGPT 4.0, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Once you're here on the browser, you need to go and search for ChatGPT 4.0. Once you've searched here, you need to go for the first, which is ChatGPT 4.0. And once you're here, what you need to do is you just need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon under your browser, and here you will have an option of save and share. Under that, you will have save this page, and under your save you will have install page as application. So click on that, and here install this page as an app. Click on install, click on yes, and that's it. You can click on continue and you will get the answers of your questions. So if you remove this, and if you are out of your browser, here on the bottom of the taskbar you will have the application. Once you click on that, it will automatically take you to the ChatGPT. You can log into your account and you can use the ChatGPT. So that's how you can install the ChatGPT. Here under the desktop you can also see the application. So that's how you can get the ChatGPT application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.